Hey folks, Vic here with your weekly trade video for Friday, June the 9th, 2023. I have a pattern to show you today that is very powerful, and what it does is it gives you a way to trade the momentum of the market in a very controlled and objective way using really small pit risk compared to the reward potential. It's called advanced momentum trading. And actually it was first introduced to our Coaches Corner members by my partner and lead coach Darko Ali, I don't know, at least 5 years ago. And if you're interested in this kind of trading, I have more information on it at the end of this video, okay, as well as a very special discounted summer subscription offering, summer up in the Northern Hemisphere, if you're interested in trying us on for a few months. I think you'll find it quite attractive. So, okay, here is what an advanced momentum trade looks like. And by the way, just before we go here, this is a scalp trade, but the same technique can be used for any other style of trading, you know, just by using the right time frame combinations. Alrighty, let's take a look. So as always, the most important thing with any of our trades, no matter how you're trading, is the top-down analysis, the determination of trend, what's happening with it. Darko introduced advanced market flow back in 2017 when he first joined our Coaches Corner service as the lead coach, and I tell you, it is such a really cool concept because it doesn't use any technical indicators or moving averages and none of that. It's only based on pure price. So let's have a look at it. And I'll first go to the weekly chart. Even though this is a 15-minute scalp, the entry's on a 15-minute chart, this is what you can do. You can use the weekly chart just for a very high time frame reference, although we basically use the daily 4-hour and then enter on our 15-minute. But looking at the weekly chart, you notice how we came back to this level. This was a very strong level. You see how price pushed away, and then it came back and broke and closed above this high, came back to this level, retested it. And what is this? It's a pin bar reversal. And that's a clue that we're probably going higher, okay? Especially in the context of this whole uptrend here. This is all corrective choppy action in here, but the trend is up on this as per, using advanced market flow. Now, on our daily chart, what's happening? Same story. We have higher highs and higher lows, and this is what's called an advanced pullback area. It's all, like I said, it's all explained in Darko's video on advanced market flow, but this price action never rotated to the downside the way that we measure it. It was always an uptrend. Okay, even though we came down just a little bit here and breached this level a little bit, it never changed anything and then started to go back up. Okay, on the 4-hour chart, that's the same story. Like this level held really, really well, came up, and now we start to break above these highs in here. So now we got higher lows and higher highs going on here. Now here's where the advanced momentum trade happens. We go down to our entry time frame, and price breaks above this same level that we saw. And what it's doing is it's making a series of higher swing highs and higher swing lows. And there's in Darko's training on advanced momentum trading, you have to wait for the trend to be confirmed. You can't just have a break above here and say the trend is going up. There are ways to get in early. I won't go into that right now, but in this case, just for pure advanced momentum trading, we look for these higher swing highs and higher swing lows. And by this point, when price is closing above this high right in here, we have what's called a confirmed trend, and you want to buy a pullback. And just trading it exactly the way that Darko shows in the video, the buy was right down here at, it was at the 85.10, and you have and our stop goes below here. This is what's called an advanced pullback. It's also called a natural stop, the way we use it. And you needed about a 15 pip risk in this trade by buying it, like I say, exactly where Darko shows in his video on this. And then up it goes. This actually ended up close to about a 3-to-1 reward risk before it came off. I'm not saying that's exactly what you're going to get. There's, you can taking profit. We have ways to take those profits on the way up and that, but a very nice reward risk trade that happened very quickly. These are 15-minute candles, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 hour, basically an hour, and you've got a really nice profit in that thing. So, so the buy, like I said, was here, a 15 pip stop, and that was the reward potential on it. So that's again what we call an advanced momentum trade. So I want to just close this video by talking to you more about a couple of things that I want you to hear about. So just stay with me here for a few more minutes, and I want to talk to you about this advanced momentum trade at the close of this video here. So just stand by. So here's the thing. We're going to be reintroducing the advanced momentum trade to our short-term trading service members in order to give them even more ways to take advantage of market movement. Advanced momentum trades are a great low pip risk trade setup with very nice reward potential. So yeah, the AMTs are back, and we're quite happy about that. Not only that, but we're going to bring back our summer special pricing, and I believe it's been several years since we've offered this, and this is going to be for a 3-month subscription, very nicely discounted to either our short-term service or our long-term service or both. You'll see that, like I say, that it's been very nicely discounted, and of course much cheaper than joining month to month. I got to be honest. I mean, we always try to be upfront with people. You can't learn this stuff in 1 month. You need a bit of time, and 3 months will give you a good feeler for how it all works. Okay, I've included a link for this pricing in the text below this video or in the email that you received. So that's it. Let's leave it at that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the like button if you like this. If you have any trading related questions, just let me know. Or if you have a subscription related question, you need to send those to info@forexmentor.com, and that'll get you the fastest response. Thanks again, everyone. Have a great weekend. Take care.